My name is David Van Dyke. I work for Brandeis Machinery out of Stanville, Kentucky. I've been with Brandeis Machinery for about eight years. We service Epiroc all out of Kentucky, Indiana, northern Mississippi, Arkansas with our sister company Power Equipment. Brandeis Machinery has approximately 300 technicians available in the company. We do on-site repair in the field. We do complete machine rebuilds in Louisville at our rebuild center. We send technicians to whatever job needs it as the customer's needs, whether it's hydraulic repairs, electrical repairs, or whatever they need at the time. Epiroc works well with Brandeis Machinery in providing parts and service. Any issues we have or emergency orders or a machine down situation, they're just a phone call away to help us get things lined out and on the right track for us and the customer to take care of those situations.
My name is Jeremy Murray. I'm an equipment salesman with Brandeis Machinery. I've been in the industry about 15 years and I work for them out of the Stanville location here in Eastern Kentucky. Epiroc really distinguishes itself in the marketplace because of the technological advances that they have on their equipment versus some of their competitors. We deal with a lot of drills in the construction and mining industry, and it's a product that we're really used to seeing and kind of gives us a competitive advantage over other dealers and other brands. We support about 120 Epiroc drills out of this location. Having that much exposure to that many drills really gives you an opportunity to see all the different circumstances and obstacles that can come up, and have guys that are prepared to be there for our customers when they do have, when a downtime event does come along. And Epiroc's always there in case we need them for technical support or training, and we can call them in when it's something we can't figure out. Epiroc is known throughout the industry for having a high availability, both on their drills and for parts availability. And then what we don't have typically, Epiroc has in Texas, that we can call on those parts when we need them and get them shipped in. We appreciate the relationship we have with Epiroc and look forward to working with them well into the future.